This one is the Canon R8.
Oh,
You know it?
Yeah, I know that series.
If you're gonna upgrade, I would highly recommend it.
How is it with videos and stuff?
Oh my god, videos, next level. Una historia. Oh, not that one. That's one. That's
Oliver.
What photo popped up my bathroom picture?
Ooh, wow. Qué sexy.
But yes, I'm gonna put this on IG, that's fun. Okay, so basically guys, we're here for a friend's birthday. So while I'm here, we're gonna shoot some content. The girls are arriving today. But then I'll probably shoot after the party. Ready for the party weekend? No. ¿Listo para la fiesta? I'm not, I'm dead. Smashing the projects. We're here in Madrid. I'm shooting a 50mm Pictures of Strangers video for you guys because I know everybody is down and loving the 50mm. And we're going to be doing it with the Canon R8 so you guys can see what this setup is like, and it is a very good setup. How can you go wrong with this camera? Hey man, how you doing? Do you speak English, Spanish?
Spanish.
Spanish better? Mejor?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just about to start doing a video. Fotos a gente desconocida cuando me gusta su estilo de look.
Okay.
Si quieres una foto aquí en la calle, vale. Yes, we like the look, guys. We like the look. Okay, un momento voy a...
Van literalmente casi caminando. Y
Ajá.
cogen autobuses y todo, pero literalmente duran días sin bañarse.
Sí. Damn.
Hay gente que lo hace, hay muchas personas que lo han hecho.
Y mirando por ahí. Perfect, yes, así. And vamos a probar. Cruzamos aquí. Y cuando hay más coches. Okay, yes, ahora ponte. Sí. Yes, ahí. Perfect, yes. ¿Y me miras? Yes, stay there. Aguanta. Mira, come here. We're gonna do it like this. And de nuevo mirando por ahí. Perfect, yes, stay there. Y ahora a mí. Stay there, ponte serio. And let me do one kind of like this, con los brazos cruzados. Yeah, like this. And looking towards me. Y a mí. Estos son, sí, chula. Yes, mira estas.
Uf. Siempre bien el rostro. Oh.
Yes, and you want to try one more just walking? Una más caminando?
Vale.
Sí. Okay, yes, a little faster. Poquito más rápido. ¿Y me miras? Yes.
Uf. Divino.
Yeah, walking, no?
Sí.
Boom. Es una vibra.
Muchas gracias.
Okay, mate, have a good day. Ciao. Hey, excuse me. I take photos of people on the street when I like their style. So I wanted to ask if I could get a picture. I love your vibe. I love your outfit. I do pictures. Wait, do you speak English?
Yes, I
Perfect.
speak English.
Yeah, I do pictures like this, like in Madrid. Stuff like this, yeah. Would you be down?
Yeah, sure.
Nice. It won't be long, like, yeah?
Okay.
Like 5 minutes. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Okay, awesome, man. How long are you living here? Or
I've been here for like 5 years.
okay, boom, nice. Spain, good choice. So I think let's make the most. Let's try first. Maybe we can I'll get you to stand here, and then yeah, we'll do it with the street like this, and then maybe can we do it with the glasses too again? Yeah. Yeah, I feel like we could do open as well. Yes, love that. Close in, and then yes, like this, looking down serious. Perfect. See that? And now let's do one looking in this direction. Yeah. Let me get the full look. Oh yes, stay there. That looks sick. Damn, such a vibe. Should we do some as well walking in the street?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Do you want to see them so far?
Yeah, I like it. I like it. The
And
monochrome outfit is so cool.
man, I know, and with the wind, it's like,
giving Karl Lagerfeld kind
man,
of
I
vibe.
love that. For me, I'm always just like black and white looks so damn good.
Yes,
Yeah. If you just like walk this way and then yeah,
Diagonally or
yeah,
straight?
diagonally, and I'll tell you like yeah, looking back at me while you're walking. Oh, sick. And now come back walking towards me. This way. Oh, that looks sick too, like this. Girl, you look like you're like ready to shoot a movie, yeah. Okay, yes.
Yes, it's really nice. And which camera do you use?
That's
'Cause
cool, no?
I also do a little bit of photography, but I'm still a hobbyist, so. Oh my god, that's so nice.
I know, like this.
It's giving Paris Fashion Week.
Straight up, yes.
Yeah.
So this one here, this one is the Canon R8.
Oh,
You
yes,
know it?
Yeah, I know that series.
Do you have a camera or?
I have. I also use Canon as well, but it's a mirrorless.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's an 8 crop sensor. So I
Okay.
wanted to upgrade into
Man.
the R series, which is
But if you're gonna upgrade, I would highly recommend it. Even just do the
Yeah.
autofocus.
It's so light.
The tracking is it's amazing.
It's so sharp. It's so sharp.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
How is it with videos and stuff?
Oh my god, videos with this one is next level. There was one thing why I needed to change with the R,
Yes.
because I wanted like better video. They both shoot in log, but this one for video is just super sharp. The 4K.
Yeah.
This one is a vibe as well. See it? F1.4, so a bit lower. But this one, the background is like super blurry.
But it's nice because it has more emphasis with the subject.
I know.
Yeah.
It's cool, no?
Yeah. And how is it with movements? Like for example, like fast-paced movement.
Oh my god. This one here, like the tracking is so fast.
Really? It's so fast. I
Yeah.
like it. Oh my god. I would definitely check it out. I love it. I love it. Okay.
Why German?
I don't know. My dad gave me the name.
But that's your name.
Yeah.
That's
But
your
it's my name. It's my name.
a German name, yeah.
German name.
Okay, what is it?
Well, actually, it's not actually German name because I've asked my German friends before, and they always say that we don't use that as a name. It's
Okay.
more like a word of endearment. Like for example, like my sunshine, because
Okay.
sunshine means sunshine.
Okay,
So,
got it.
Yeah, but it's not like a commonly used word as a name in Germany.
That's
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
How do you say it?
Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Yeah.
Well, sure, we should definitely connect and stuff.
Yes, of
I'll
course.
send you-
That
I'll-
would be really nice.
Yeah, so like next time when I'm in Madrid, we'll like plan something, shoot something, and yeah.
Yes. I
Yeah,
would
yeah.
love that. Yeah.
Hey guys.
Hola.
Hey, do you guys speak English or Spanish better?
English.
It's
Spanish.
English, nice, okay. I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel and I take photos of people when I like their style. And you guys look really cool. I like this style if you guys wanted a portrait. Huh?
Picture.
See?
Se hace fotos, pero
Sí.
no,
No.
a ver qué fotos hace. ¿Cómo se dice? A ver.
Sí, no, hablo español
¿Habla
también.
español? Pero ¿y las fotos donde?
Look, normalmente salen así como en Gran Vía.
Ay, qué chulo.
This one, esto fue la semana pasada. Pero sí.
It's okay.
Yeah? Where are you guys from?
Romania.
Okay, do you guys live here or no?
¿Cómo?
Do you guys live here? ¿Vives aquí or no?
No.
Who wants to go first? ¿Quién quiere la primera?
Me da igual.
Venga,
Yeah.
yo.
Okay, so let's do them here, aquí en la calle.
¿Dónde? En la calle.
Sí. Yes, Burma, sí, sí, ponte aquí. Okay, me miras as well. Oh, I love that. Yes, me miras. Maybe let me get one here too, una más aquí. And maybe just like this. Let me get this shit out, this trash. And looking at me, and maybe one something like this, algo así. Perfect, yes. Awesome, love it, yes. Y ahora mirando por ahí. Same, yes, like that. Oh, I love that. That looks so good. Do that again with the hair, otra vez. That looks cool, no? Sick.
Muy guapa, nena.
Stay there, and now we'll do one like this. Yes, like this. Okay, y caminando a mí. Oh, love that, yes.
Wow. Me encanta.
Oh, that's a sick shot. A mí me encanta cuando hay las luces ahí atrás.
Sí.
Sí. Me
Guapísimas,
gustan, están
nena.
chulas.
Yes.
Me voy a poner el
Okay, so
abrigo
tú
que
eres-
estoy congelada.
So tú eres de aquí, en
Sí,
Madrid.
No, somos de Almería.
Okay.
¿Sabes dónde está? En
Sí.
Andalucía.
¿Qué tal la-
From Romania, I'm living
Sí.
Almería.
En Almería.
Okay, damn. ¿Qué tal la vida ahí? Siempre quería ir ahí porque he visto algunas playas, no sé si
Sí.
son
Playas.
así
Ahí para
bonitas.
echar fotos,
Sí,
flipante.
¿no? He visto algunas fotos ahí.
El agua es turquesa, cristalina, para echar fotos.
Aunque no sea Bali, hay agua muy, muy, muy turquesas.
¿Qué hago? ¿Con la chaqueta o sin chaqueta?
Let's go. No, we can do sin. Sí.
¿Ah, sí?
We're
¿Con
gonna
la gafa?
we're bringing summer.
¿Eh?
Vamos a traer verano.
Venga. ¿Y con las gafas o sin gafas?
I think with the glasses look cool.
Con gafas.
Yeah. Let's do first like this. Now we're gonna do it with our Schweppes. Oh, love that, love that. Yeah, say that. Yes, and maybe one kind of like this as well. Yeah, say that.
Espérate, espérate. Así.
See. And then maybe like looking down at me a little bit as well, chin down.
No, así
Yeah. No, digo. Pero digo más como, yeah, like chin down or something, or like me mires así, and ponte seria. Yeah. Oh, amazing. Yeah, stay there. Stay there. Oh, yes, love that. Sí, ahora me mires. Yeah. And then. Y ahora algunos aquí en la calle. And caminando a mí. Like this, and maybe one on the hip even. Love that, love that. Ahí, aguanta. Yeah, stay there. That's really cool. Una más así. Ahora mirando así de nuevo. Yes, like this, so do it like this. Y me miras, dar una vuelta. And now just stay there. Yes, así. Oh, this is the perfect shot. Eso es lo más. Y baja las gafas de nuevo y me miras así. Love them, love them. Oh, yeah, say that, say it.
Wow, me encanta.
Look at this one.
Madre mía. Me encanta.
Oh, damn, and this one with the movement, ¿no? Con el movimiento.
Sí. Y luego esas fotos, ¿qué? Queremos esas fotos.
Sí, claro. Después de editar, creo mañana o el día siguiente, para mi Gran Vía, eso es una de las calles mejores para sacar fotos.
Sí.
Sí.
Sí, es que hemos
Like-
venido para fotos.
¿Ah? Sí.
Sí. No, no, fotos. Hasta acá apareció tú. ¿Qué ha sido el destino?
Sí.
Llegamos al Instagram.
Sí, yes.
¿Cómo era?
Who's your bread? Yeah, that'll be fun. This one just for una historia. Oh, not that one. That's one's for the OnlyFans.
Oliver.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Guys, has visto?
Hello.
Did you guys see what photo popped up my bathroom picture?
Wow. Qué sexy,
But yes, I'm gonna put this on IG. That's fun. Divertido. Okay,
Very
yes,
fun.
encantado.
Muchas gracias.
Las primeras de Almería.
Gracias, guapo.
Gracias.
Okay, guys, que tengas un buen día y os mando las fotos.
Sí,
Yeah?
manda las fotos.
So have a
Que
good
somos
Sunday.
fotones.
They're gonna be so cool. Serán chulos. Okay, bye guys. Adios.
Hey,